Psychological facts every man should know about women. Women don't want their boyfriend to be their psychotherapist. What women actually want their boyfriend to do is that he really listens to and understands her without trying to fix her. This is because a lot of women absolutely love feeling emotions. So when your girlfriend tells you about her toxic work colleague, you just agree with her and tell her that this colleague really sounds like an asshole instead of trying to make her feel better. By trying to fix her problems, you don't allow her to experience whatever she wants to feel. You basically take away what makes her feel alive by invalidating her feelings. Some women are more likely to be opportunists than men. This does not apply to every single woman, of course, and this isn't a negative trait either. All what that means is simply that some women prefer to take advantage of every opportunity that presents itself to them, especially since women get approached by men far more often than men get approached by women. Women have a higher non-physical pain tolerance than men do. Perhaps this is because, on average, women tend to have a richer emotional spectrum or higher EQ than men do. The Cat Principle. I got this one from the amazing book, How to Be a 3% Man, by Corey Wayne, and it holds a lot of truth. Women tend to behave like cats when it comes to dating and attracting them. They tend to be reserved and you have to make them feel comfortable with you at first and before they let you get close to them. Get too close too quickly and they run away. It's really subtle. Women love it when you read their signals they give off via body language, and often, they aren't even aware of the signals they give off. This includes stuff like pointing their feet towards you, playing with their hair, or staying close to you. Those are pretty solid indicators of interest. Social media and dating apps does to women what porn does to men. On average, really beautiful women tend to get more attention on social media and dating apps than men do, simply because they look beautiful and because they get lots of likes, compliments, followers and validations from the opposite gender. Let me give you an example. Pretty girls who are on social media, depending on what app she is using, gets 20, 50 messages, likes, compliments, etc. within a day, and are constantly being hit on by men online and can barely keep up with it. This exact thing does to women what porn does to men, because it makes especially women with low self-esteem view men as objects who only exist to validate her, as disposable and not as human beings, just like porn addiction does make men view women as nothing more than an object for instant gratification. When a woman asks you if she is fat, you don't just tell her no. You go and kiss her and tell her that you love her. Most women don't care that much about a man's beauty. What they care about the most in men, at least the types of women who make the best girlfriends and wives, is integrity, confidence, financial freedom and substance, just to name a few qualities. A woman can easily smell danger, and you can count on her instincts in dealing with strangers. If you see her upset, it will make her feel better if you try to find out why and give her a patient listening and empathize. If she is silent and has turned cold, you may have hurt her badly and she may be relooking at other options. Looking nice is important to every woman. Genuine compliments will take you a long way. Women are socially conscious and dress as per the occasion. It will be nice if you match your clothing accordingly. A smile on her face is proportional to the amount of quality time you spend with her. A woman will never like you overpraising another woman, even your mother. Surprise gifts, flowers, and holidays are always welcome, maybe a cliched point, but does wonders to make her feel special. If you look at her as more than a friend but do not make it clear, you will be easily friend-zoned. She is invested in you and does do things selflessly. When you show similar concern, you win her heart big time. If she teases you and gives you nicknames, she is usually attracted to you and sees you as more than a friend. Women tend to remember more of those who ignore them than those who constantly talk to them. Women judge very quickly, and their judgment rarely goes wrong. Women are usually impatient. If you compare your girl with another girl, it's you're lost. Women tend to fall in love with those who talk naughty. For women, saying bye doesn't mean bye. It sometimes means don't go away, or please stay with me longer, I need you now. Women do like men who can change their mood or make them laugh more than those rich hot men. And men, you should know that women are no sex objects. If you want to win in an argument, just be quiet for a while and see the result. If you find this video interesting, comment, "Women are amazing, Bello," give it a thumbs up, Subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification to see more of our videos like this. Stay guarded until we meet in my next video. Bye.